Hello. To connect Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active to the Google Fit, you first have to go into the Play Store and look for the application Google Fit. In case you don't have it, you have to install it. As you already have it pre-installed, you then have to go into My Fitness application, go into Profile and select third-party data. Then you select Google Fit, press connect, and right here you have been forwarded to the Google application, and you have to continue as your account, the same account that you have logged in to the fitness. Next you have to select the account that you have logged into the Mi Fitness. Select all these access. Alright, and so like that you have Google Fit connected to your application. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.